Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some very healthy lentil packets in an air fryer. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Wash and soak split chickpeas or bengal gram for 4 to 6 hours. Peel and finely chop 1 onion, 1-inch ginger and 4 cloves of garlic in an electric chopper. Add green chillies and curry leaves and grind it in the electric chopper. Heat sunflower oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When it starts to crackle, add cumin seeds. When it stops crackling, add the onion, ginger, garlic, green chilli and curry leaf mixture and saute for a couple of minutes. Add the soaked chickpeas which have become soft and can be cut with finger. Mix it well. Then add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder and cumin powder and salt and mix it all well together. Add sufficient water to cover it completely. Cover the vessel and cook with intermittent stirring till the chickpeas become soft. Then add tomato puree and mix it all well together. Saute till the water evaporates and then add the coriander leaves. Mix it all well together and turn off the flame and allow the mixture to cool sufficiently to handle. Add a little water to the corn flour to make a smooth paste. Fold the samosa leaves, filling it with the chickpea mixture as shown in the video. Once you have completed folding all of them, spread sunflower oil over it on both sides and place it in the air fryer and cook at 140 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then turn them over and cook for further 5 minutes till they turn golden brown on both sides. Then transfer to serving plate and serve with any of the chutneys or sauce of your choice.